Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Outnet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Help button. And as you can see, there's a 24/7 customer care available. And you can contact them through live chat, email, and there's also a phone number. So just choose the one that's the more convenient for you. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.